Hello, and this is a quick recording for you that are using Fishbowl Remote and logging on to either QuickBooks or something to do with the Fishbowl hosted server. When you are done, you're going to log out of QuickBooks using the proper steps, which to review, you will do File Company Log Off, and then when you come down to the part where where it shows you where the certain files are, you have to go up to the upper right hand corner and close the X and close out QuickBooks completely. If you don't, it will see it as partially open. Then when you're done with that, you don't just close your session with QuickBooks on the remote server. You go to this icon, which has always been here, and you click that and you hit log off remote desktop. If you don't do that, it doesn't close the session well, and you will end up with problems in the future. That's pretty much it. Thanks and have a great day.